How to fix the Bazaar keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the game in your library, and then you want to go to installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the game's exe file, right click on it and then click on properties. Go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here and click on OK. Now you want to go to the general tab on Steam and then under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Now you can close this window. Now open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and make sure to check for the latest updates and download and install the latest game ready driver. Now once you do that, you will be asked to restart your computer, and after restarting your computer you should, before actually launching the game, you should look up Steam and right click on it and click on run as administrator. And once Steam is running as admin, you want to go to the game and launch it and simply start playing. And this should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.